Okay. Today, let's see how to create, how to install Oracle software and how to create a database in 12C. Okay. First, you know how to create a share drive, right? In media stuff. Jagan, you know this, right? Jagan?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go to /media and you need to download the software which is already discussed. Okay, here I have downloaded this software. That is this one. Oracle. So this is the software which I downloaded. Oracle. Okay, this 12.2.1.0 zip. Okay. So now I'm going to create a directory called as mkdir/sw. Okay. I just put it like this. Okay. Now I'm going to copy this cp Oracle to SW. So once this is copied, you need to create a user. User is Oracle and group is DB and O install. Primary group I'm going to keep it as O install and secondary group will be Oracle. Sorry, DBA. Okay. So we'll go and check it. Let it copy that and just create one more thing. And check whether you have Oracle is there or not. ID space Oracle to check whether the Oracle user is there or not. There is no user called as Oracle. So now I'm going to create a group. Group add DBA and group add O install. So two groups I'm going to add. It's done, right? Now you need to create a user. Okay, user add. -G for primary group is O install. Secondary group is DBA. Okay. For Oracle. Now I'm going to give password for Oracle, PASS. I need to set a password, right? So for that, give password Oracle. So password, I'm giving Oracle. That's all. Okay, so this is done now. Now if you go and see ID Oracle, you can see Oracle as a user. You have primary group as O installed, secondary group as DB. That's it. Okay. So after creating this, okay. So now I have created the user. User I have created and I copied the source file also. Okay. Source file is under /sw. Okay. Now, if I want to install Oracle software, I need to log in as Oracle user. Okay. For that, what happened? So this particular, I need to unzip, right? Okay. This is a zip file where I need to unzip. So now I need to make this file. This file should be owned by Oracle user, right? So for that, what I'm going to do is the complete directory, this set of directory, right? See, directory, SW. This directory, I'm going to, sorry, D/SW. Okay. I'm going to make this entire directory as, should be owned by Oracle. Okay. So for that, -r Oracle install /sw. Okay. So now if you go and see here, this is owner, this is the group. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No,
Sorry?
sir.
Okay. Now, so I just log off and let me check what is the host name. I just created this virtual machine. 1 second and host name -i. Sorry. Okay, wait. I'll just change this. a/etc host. (68.1.122). Next 2 dot. Next 2. Okay, so now check. Okay, it works. So I will log off now and log in as okay. Right. Mm, Now I have logged in as Oracle. Go to /sw. Now unzip this file. So now we are the, I mean, Oracle is the owner. Now you can do it. Okay. Unzip Oracle. That's it. Now, see, I'm going to create a directory. Okay. So in this tab, it's running. Okay. In this tab, I'm going to create a directory. I'm going to install Oracle software on mkdir/u02. No, I can't do because one, I'm not a root, right? I need to create a go login as root. I don't have permission to create under root. So root 123. Give the password mkdir/u01. So in this directory, I'm going to install Oracle software. Okay, and change the owner to -r Oracle colon install /u01. That's it. Okay, so go here. Okay, so now I have created the directory. Go here now. We start installing the Oracle software. It's done now, right? So I don't want the zip file. I'm removing the zip file. Okay, because I have already extracted all these things. Go to database. So this is the file to be run. // and install. Okay, so since we are going to learn only development module, that is SQL and PLSQL, I'm just going to install Oracle software using this GUI only, right? Later, when you go for a DBA course, I'll be taking like how to do silent mode installation, how to install using Xming manager, using Putty, how to install this, as well as okay, those two things, and how to only those two things will be while doing DBA course, I'll explain those things. Okay? I mean, with how to use I mean silent mode installation, and one more thing is tar also will be doing, right? I said tar you can unzip and unzip it. That also you can see that. Okay, so three types of installation we will see in DBA model. Okay, here just do whatever we are doing this. That's all. Okay, give next. Give yes. I'm not going to create the database right now. Just install only the software. Okay, use this option. Okay, use single mode installation and enterprise edition. So U01 app automatically it shows this directory. Just give next. Next. Just go install here. Give next. That's all. So it will check the prerequisite. Okay. So whether we can install Oracle software in this or not. So these are the packages we need to install. So now what I'm going to do is uh, I need to set this parameter in one file. etc system.ctl.conf. Just press this. Don't need to do anything. Just press fix and check again. It will give you a temp file. Okay. So if you run this automatically, those some issues will get fixed. Okay. So Control C. Okay. Go to the terminal. Root, right? Right paste. That's all. Run this. All fix operations are completed successfully. Again, go there. Just give OK. That's all. Okay, see, everything got fixed, and we have only three issues right now. You can just ignore this soft limit. Okay, but we need to install this package. See how to install a patches. I mean, these packages. Okay, So first go to the root. Okay. So we need, so these packages will reside under, okay, will be under DVD drive. That is your source disk. Okay, OEL 6 disk. Okay, so go here, make it right click. Before that, let's check whether we have this VMware. So I will eject this first. Okay, I will eject the disk. Right click. I don't want this virtual box. Unmount it. Okay, root over there. That's it. Unmount. Now go here. Choose the disk image. That's done. Open. Okay. Mm, still not connected. Open terminal. TFH. Nothing is there. This. Why it's not picking up? Open. Let's talk about 1 second. Optical drives. No description. No. Yeah. Okay. Again, give right click. Choose disk image. You open. Okay. Now we joined. So after removing it, mounted again. Okay. Close this. Now you go and see this JFFNH. So OEL6 is there now, right? Media. Now, okay, come here. CD slash media, sorry, JFFNH. You have this OEL 10.0, right? CD, go to the drive. So media, OEL6, CD slash, go to server then, okay? There is folder plus server. Go to the server, go to the packages. Here it will be there. Okay, so what are the files we need to have? Which should be KSH and libio. So check for KSHs. So star KSH star. Okay. See, this file is already there here. Just run it, execute it. Okay, how will you install this? RPM hyphen UVH is the command. Use KSH. Install this. It will get installed like this. Next is libio hyphen develop. 1 second. Now check for lib. Let's say lib a star. Oops, lib AIO you can put AIO, right? Del star, right? See, you have two files. So we need to, one is for 32-bit, one is for 64-bit. We need to install this one, right? We'll install this. RPM hyphen UVH lib AIO. Okay, del x86, that's all. Oops, RPM. RPM is this. Okay, it's done. Now, so we have installed both the packages. Okay, just give check again. All done. Just ignore this. It's not a major issue. Just ignore it. Okay, ignore all. Next. Okay, just give X. Okay, we have, since the pop up is coming, right? The reason is we just ignore. That's the reason. Okay, just give X. Improve. Just give install. That's all. So this will take time. This will take some time to install. Okay. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Okay. We'll be getting some requirements like how, I mean, see since we are inside the server, it's easy for us to install those things. Okay. If the service resides somewhere and you are connecting using PuTTY, then how will you install this software? So this GUI will not come. Okay, so to do that, okay, so you need to install a software called as Xming. Any X Manager tool is there, Hummingbird, a lot of things are there. But Xming is a right utility that you can use it. Okay, so that I will teach you later while doing DBA course. That is one type of installation. Another is silent mode installation. Silent mode installation will be using PuTTY. Without graphical user interface, you will be installing the silent mode installation. That is another way. Third is tarball. Okay, if you have a home already, I mean any software, any Oracle software which is installed in any other server, you can just zip that and copy here and again unzip it. So that also will work. Okay, so these three methods you should learn. Okay, I'll teach you those things after in the DB model. Okay, ready, run. Okay, just I want to ask you one more question. Let's see, this is installed, right? Okay. Okay. Fine. CD. See here. You give ls, how it works. So where is this command ls? Any idea? How will you know where this ls is stored?
Which
Very good. Which ls?
which other?
So which ls is here? There is in under bin. Okay. If you give ls, okay, how Linux will know that you should go and search in bin and then give the output. See here, ls is under bin, right? So let's see where is user at. Which user is the command, right? Okay. Which sorry. User add is done by root, right? So root has the place. Which is so user is under user slash has been. Okay, likewise. Leave this. Okay, see all these commands are in some areas, in some folders like slash bin, slash user has been, those kind of folders. Right? But how does Oracle know if you press, I mean, sorry, how does Linux know if I give ls, you should go and take it from there. For that, okay, for this, right? Which say if you give cut, which cut, everything under user slash bin cut. Okay, so uh, so we need to set a environment variable called as path. Okay, if you go and see dollar path, path is the environment variable where all this information, all these locations are stored. Okay, so now if you remove this, say for example, which ls, if you give like this is from bin, right? If I will remove this from the path. So this is the path variable. Okay, the this path consists of all these folders. Now what I'm going to do is export path equal to, I just give all these things except the bin. Okay, and I will remove this also. Okay, now here, right? Yes, that's all. Okay, try ls. See what it says. ls command does not found. ls command not found. So what we should know. So, so we need to add this bin inside the path variable. Then only, whenever you execute any command, we just go and check in the path, that all in the path variable or in the path folders. Okay, if exist, then it will show the result. Else you will say ls command not found. Remember this. Okay. Now I'm going to add the same thing. Okay, echo path equal to dollar path colon. This what is this dollar path? This is the dollar path, right? See here, I'll just cancel this. Go dollar path. Except bin, all the information will be there because I just added added this export path equal to, this is the folders, right? Now what I'm going to do is export path equal to, I'm going to add slash bin to this all the folders. All, I mean this path variable right now. So go here, path equal to dollar path colon slash bin. That's it. Okay, now you go and see the dollar path value. See, that slash bin is added to it, right? Slash bin. Now you give ls, it will work. Okay. So like this, we need to set the Oracle home path. Okay, with the bin variable. I'll tell you. Okay, if you give SQL plus, it will not work. Just it will say command not found. SQL plus. Okay. So now we need to set those things. I will tell you how to do this. Okay. Let's see this. It's done now. Still it's running. Okay. So go here. Okay. So it will ask us to execute these two scripts as a root. Okay, see the following script needs to be executed. Just copy this. Okay, go to root folder, Linux, root user. Okay, right click and copy, paste it. That's right. Install this. Now just go here, copy this, and execute as root. So done. Just give enter for these things. Okay, I just press enter. That's all. Okay. Now, once it is done, just go OK. Finished. Close. So now Oracle software is installed. Okay. So how will you know Oracle software is installed? Okay. If you give SQL plus, it's not working. The reason is the path is not set. If you go to /u01/app Oracle product to under bin. See, this is the home where your software is installed. This is the folders where your software is installed. This is the path. Okay. So this is Oracle home. Okay. So you need to set like this. Echo Oracle underscore home. You need to set this always. Okay. Edit copy, edit paste. Okay, done. Now, if you go to bin directory, okay, you can see the SQL plus command. Okay. You can't give like this SQL plus. You need to execute like this if it's in the current folder SQL plus. Okay. You may need to set Oracle home. Why didn't they set Oracle? I need to set this. Sorry, I missed it. Command is wrong. Export. Okay, not echo. Export. Export. This is the one. Okay. So once it is set, now you go and check this. SQL plus will work. Okay. So this is the command you need to execute. Now I want to execute wherever I want. See, SQL plus, if I give like this, it should work. So for this, what do you do? So we need to add this
Permission.
path. What is that?
Permission or oh,
No, we need to add this path in path folder.
okay.
Export path equal to dollar path colon dollar home, right? What is dollar home? Oracle home is nothing but the full path. If you give tab, see here, sorry. This is the full path, right? This is path slash bin. If you give like this, okay, a path is set, you can give SQL plus anywhere. See, CD, SQL plus, it will work. Okay, or you can go to CD/U01/app, anywhere. Anywhere it will work. Okay. SQL plus. It will work like this. Okay. So we did two settings. One is Oracle home, another is path. Okay. So each and every time we can give this, right? So further, what you should do is you need to set this in bash profile. Bash profile is the profile. Whenever you log in, it will automatically execute this file and come back. So go here, export Oracle home equal to /u01/app/product/12.2.0/db home on db home underscore one. Correct? Check it whether it's right or not. No, this is Oracle home, right? Just copy this better. Edit copy, go here, just paste it and start typing it. Yeah, paste. Okay, so this is the Oracle home. Now you need to set the path. Echo path equal to dollar path colon dollar Oracle underscore home/bin. That's it. Okay, save this. It will come. Okay. So clear. Okay, I just logged off everything. Now go and check. Open a terminal. Okay, CD dot space dash profile. Execute it. Okay, now SQL plus it will work.